I'm Professor Vasudeva Rao, Director of TAPI Management Institute, that is TAPMI, Manipal. TAPMI is in management education since 1984, and over these years, over 2000 students have passed out from our institute, and they are currently engaged in corporate jobs, and some of them have also chosen to be entrepreneurs. Now, when we look at the candidates who apply for our PGDM program, uh, most of them look for good management institutes where the academic resources or the faculties are good, as well as the placement record of the institute is high. In this context, I think placement becomes a very critical factor for a management institute. At TAPMI, over the years, our placement records have been good. Almost 100% of our students are getting placed, and over 60 to 70 corporates visit us for the recruitment purpose. However, the way the placement data is reported in the press or by the institutes or the companies keep varying. In that context, we are pleased to know that IIM Ahmedabad has developed a placement standard, and it was deliberated, and TAPMI has accepted that we would go ahead in joining the placement standard that has been developed by IIM, and after taking care of various suggestions given by other institutions. So the advantage of having a placement standard is to cater to the placement related information requirements of all the stakeholders involved. Besides, it enables the candidates to do a fair comparison not only across various professions but also across individual firms. It gives access to in-depth information about placements to the media. This would enable the media to have better insights into the placement process and would also reduce chance of misinterpretation, especially while comparing information from two or more B schools. To ensure MBA reports are used in fair and accurate manner to attract students and employers, the placement standards will be very beneficial. It enables ranking agencies to obtain placement related statistics across B schools in a standardized format. Besides this, we find there are several advantages in adopting to a placement standard that has been developed. So once again, we are very much pleased that we are in association with other institutions, and we would become member of the Placement Standards Association. And on this occasion, I understand tomorrow the IMEA would be having a press conference to launch these placement standards, and we are happy to be member of this association, and we hope jointly we'll be able to participate in this placement standard program in the years to come. Thank you.